Hey there, future remote warriors. Welcome to BTS, where we dive into the exciting world of remote jobs. Remote work is exactly what it sounds like. Working from a location outside of a traditional office. Like myself this week when I'm working from Mombasa in a hotel. So picture yourself working from a cozy cafe, either in your living room or even in a beach in Mombasa or Bali, like myself. Sounds dreamy, right? But it's not just about the cool locations. Remote work is a lifestyle that offers so many benefits. So why don't we dive into them before we can actually showcase to you the 9 remote opportunities that are currently hiring and that allow you to work from literally anywhere in the world. I know. Like me. Anyhow, so let's start with benefit number 1, which is what we always talk about, flexibility. Imagine this: no more 9 to 5 grind, no more rushing to beat the morning traffic jam, or rushing back to beat the late evening traffic jam. Remote work lets you set your own schedule. Whether you're a night owl who gets the best ideas at 2 a.m., no problem. You want to hit the gym during your lunchtime? Go for it. Remote work literally gives you the freedom to design your day. And Beyond the Savannah helps you achieve this lifestyle by showcasing to you legit remote opportunities that are hiring worldwide. Together with that, we do offer services such as coaching, CV revamp, LinkedIn optimization. We even have a student's package as well as an interview prep and a consultation package. Now let's move on to the opportunities that are currently hiring. The very first role that we are featuring today is a chat support agent, and this role is, like I said, fully remotely, and it is entry level. It doesn't require you to have any degree whatsoever, any level of experience. All that you need to have is great written communication skills, strong problem solving abilities and attention to details, as well as having a reliable internet connection and a quiet place for you to work. And lastly, you need to have that positive attitude and willingness to learn. This particular role will pay you anything between $15 to $18 an hour. It also allows you to work from anywhere in the world with a flexible work schedule, comprehensive training program, opportunities for growth and advancement, and access to exclusive gig opportunities. Sounds like you? Head on over to our website beyondthesavannah.co.ke and send in that application. The second role that we are featuring today is a technical writer. So this is for particularly the people who are online writers, or if you ever wanted to join the community of online writing, and this role will pay you anything between $38,000 to $79,000 annually. It is worth to note that this role is a full-time position. So if you are proficient in writing clear and concise and technically accurate documentation for APIs and software products, if you've got strong collaboration skills, if you are experienced in crafting technical and educational content, if you're familiar with architecture principles, you've got a passion for creating exceptional user experience and drive your English, both written and verbal, are excellent, then this one is for you. And just remember that you don't need to have a remote working experience, but it could be a plus. The third role that we are featuring today is a senior product manager, specifically for payroll. And the compensation package for this particular role is anything between $53,000 to $122,000 US per year. And this is a full-time position. So if you have a track record of experience as a product manager, ideally for HRIS or payroll or at a similar high growth company, if you've got a user empathy and a passion for forming a deep understanding of customer pain points and needs, you've got great judgment when it comes to making both strategic and tactical decisions, you have a demonstrable self-driven results that have led to increased customer acquisition and retention, and lastly, you have the ability to collaborate cross-functionally with teams, including engineering, partnerships, customer experience, marketing and sales, and of course, that excellent written and verbal communication skills, then you want to apply to this opportunity. The fourth role that we are featuring this week is a go-to-market recruiter role, and this is a fixed-term contract role. And the compensation package for this particular role is between $36,000 to $52,000 US dollars annually. And this is what you need to be able to land that role. If you've got experience in full cycle recruitment at a tech startup or a high scaling startup experience, then that role is for you. If your previous experience as a senior recruiter with sales, marketing, partnerships, particularly go-to-market domains, that will be highly prioritized. If you've got experience in filling senior level positions, including director and upward levels, that is like C-suite, then this one is for you. If you've got experience handling large volume of applications to improve and ensure high quality alignment to the role and a diverse hiring pipeline, if you've got a strong track record in results and moving at a pace to meet the company at scaling needs, if you're excited and passionate about excellent candidate experience at all times, you are aligned with remote's values and a keen interest in finding the best talent in the world, you are ambitious and intentional about diversity and inclusion, and lastly, you have experience in working and optimizing greenhouse as well as adopting new tools and technologies, then this particular role is for you. So what I want you to do is to head on over to our website beyondthesavannah.co.ke and send in that application. And to all the new graduates, we've got a graduate sales development representative role for you. Now, I'll say that with zest because I know Jaquert literally graduated last week on Friday. And for you to land this current opportunity, what they're looking for is a person with excellent academic results at school and university. If you've got a passion for business and technology, you've got a commitment to continuous learning and improvement, you're curious, flexible, scientific, you've got creative problem solving as well as cross-team collaboration skills, your verbal and written communication skills are excellent, you are results driven and are an overachiever, as well as you are persistent and you've got perseverance, in short, grit, then this particular role is for you. The sixth role that we are currently hiring for is a director of field marketing events. Sounds really, really interesting. The compensation package for this particular role is anything between $144,000 to $203,000 annually. And the qualifications that you need to bring with you are: one, a proven experience as a marketing director or another senior marketing role. If you've got experience working closely with sales team to generate and track qualified leads, you've got solid knowledge of field and events marketing on a global scale, you've got strong analytical and project management skills, you are creative with an entrepreneurial spirit as well as a strong analytical mindset, you've got either a bachelor's or a master's degree in marketing, you're fluent in multiple languages, you've got a deep understanding of the SaaS industry. For those of you who don't know, SaaS is a software as a service. If you've ever worked in a SaaS company or a SaaS industry, then this one is definitely for you. The seventh role that we are featuring today is a director of brand communication. Now, all the marketers who are on here know what a brand communicator is. The compensation package for this particular role is anything between $145,000 to $204,000 US dollars annually. What do you need to get this job? Proven experience as a marketing director or any other senior role, strong knowledge of brand and communications on a global scale, strong analytical and project management skills, experience with CRM software and the digital marketing tools as well as techniques, strong leadership and communication skills, creative and entrepreneurial spirit with a strong analytical mindset, fluent in multiple languages, and you've got a deep understanding of the SaaS industry as well as its challenges in various global markets covering multiple regions, then this is for you. The eighth role that we are featuring today is a conversion copywriter role, and the compensation package for this particular role is anything between $25,000 to $87,000 US dollars annually. What do you need to get this job? You need a mid-level experience in copywriting, preferably in a SaaS industry or a SaaS company, digital marketing or advertising context. If you have demonstrable ability to craft persuasive copy and contribute to the success of marketing campaigns, you've got experience or specialization in product marketing, CRO, SaaS, you've got exceptional writing skills, you are creative and you do have originality in your writing and you're a strategic thinker, then this one is definitely for you. The ninth and final role that we are featuring this week is an account executive. And for this particular role, you need to have, once again, experience in a SaaS company or a fast-growing startup environment. You need to have proven track record of successful sales experience. You need to have exceptional discovery, negotiation, as well as closing skills. You need to have demonstrable ability to manage and grow client relations with a focus on understanding and meeting client needs. You need to have the ability to connect organizationally and influence stakeholders to drive collaboration. You need to have commitment to maximizing customer happiness and deepening relationships. In short, if you're a great, or you consider yourself to be a great customer experience, whether it is customer service, customer success, customer support professional, then I would urge you to check out this role on our website and send your application. But please remember that you do need an ATS-friendly resume, an optimized LinkedIn profile to increase your chances of getting shortlisted and eventually getting hired. So if your function or department wasn't featured in those opportunities that I've just shared, do not fret and do not log off, because I still have a ton of benefits to share with you, starting with no commute. Let's celebrate the fact that remote work means zero commute. You can literally roll out of your bed and at your desk in seconds. Think of all the time and money you'll save. And think of the work-life balance that you get to enjoy when you're working remotely. Like me, I'm about to head out for lunch and I want to go out to Forodhani for lunch. After that, I will be working from there before I can head over back to the hotel. Remote work can seriously improve your work-life balance. You get to spend a ton of time with your family, pursue your hobbies, or just relax, or have a 2-hour lunch break by the beach, and no one is going to be calling you or checking your timestamp. No more missing out on life's precious moments because of work. You get to integrate work in your life, and you get to be more present and enjoy your life at the fullest. And of course, while we're working remotely and we're enjoying our work-life integration and balance, we also have increased productivity. Now, I know what you're thinking. Won't that beautiful view be distracting? Well, studies show that remote workers are often more productive and without the usual office interruptions or doing ER, employee relations, working desk to desk, or even doing a little bit of coffee chat here, a little bit of bathroom break over there. You get to focus better and get more done in less time. Plus, you get to create your own workspace that suits you perfectly. For example, me. Let's talk money. No more commuting means no fuel cost, no public transport expenses. You get to save up on your lunches, you get to save up on your work attire, and you get to save up on those coffee runs. All these savings add up, giving you more financial flexibility and freedom. And our sixth reason as to why you should join the remote work movement is the global opportunities that remote work open up. Literally. So how does one get started with remote work? That is a really great question. First, you need to identify your skills and see which remote jobs match them. If you're having trouble with this, then I suggest you book a consulting call with me or a pick my brain call with me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update. Share your remote work experiences or questions in the comment section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your remote work success. Until next time, stay productive, stay connected, stay happy, and bye for now.